Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm talking about how you can enable smart charging in your OnePlus smartphones and how you can know about your battery health in your OnePlus smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to swipe down, go to settings, and friends, when you just swipe down like this, you can see this battery. Click on battery and swipe down. Here it is the battery health. Click on the battery health, swipe down. You can see there is a smart charging, and here it is the maximum capacity. You can see the battery health is good, and in smart charging it will enable to slow down battery aging. Intelligent services learns your charging habits and adjust charging patterns accordingly. You have to enable this option like this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.